Hi everyone, it's Mana. Today's video is for the guys out there who are interested in Japanese women. I'm gonna share 7 essential tips you need to know before asking out or dating a Japanese woman. So, if you wanna make a great first impression and avoid any faux pas, keep watching. Got your notepad ready? Let's dive in. First off, as you probably know, Japan has a unique culture with its unsettled rules when it comes to romance. This tradition has been passed down from older generations, which means there are some habits and social norms that might be different from what you are used to. At first glance, Japanese women might seem modest and not very forward when it comes to dating. This is especially true when they are abroad. They tend to be shy and very cautious about unfamiliar situations. But don't worry, once you get to know them, they are very friendly and considerate. You will definitely be drawn to their warm and caring nature, so don't rush things. It's important to build a good relationship with them and earn their trust before making any moves. Since 90% of our population is Japanese, we are surrounded by similar habits, customs, and culture. Understanding this context will help you connect better and navigate the dating scene more smoothly. Alright, let's get into the 7 things you must know. Number 1, clean appearance is key. Many Japanese women highly value cleanliness and simplicity. If you've been to Japan, you know what I mean. Many Japanese people, especially women, believe that clean and simple appearance is more valuable than flashy or expensive items. They love simple and urban fashion. So, you don't need any designer clothes or bling. Just put on a clean shirt and a nice pair of jeans or trousers and you're good to go. These preferences come from our cultural background. In Japan, maintaining a clean environment is linked to our sense of dignity. A clean and neat appearance makes us feel more confident and valued than owning gold or expensive things. That's why it's important to care about your appearance when approaching Japanese people, especially women. Number 2, consider shaving your beard. In Japanese society, many adult men shave their beards because it gives a clean and healthy impression. A clean-shaven face is often seen as more presentable and it's quite popular. So if you want to make a good impression, consider trimming or shaving your beard and keep your hair neatly styled. The third tip is that Japanese expressions are often subtle. Japanese people don't usually express their feelings directly. It takes time for them to feel comfortable and be completely honest. Initially, they might avoid being too straightforward and tend to maintain a polite and formal demeanor. This is part of Japanese culture, so don't try to rush things and force closeness. Instead, take it step by step and get to know each other gradually. The fourth tip you need to know is that the Japanese women has a sweet tooth for delicious food. Japanese cuisine is popular all around the world, and in Japan, there are countless amazing cafes and restaurants. If you know a nice cafe or restaurant, take her there and enjoy the experience together. She will definitely have fun and appreciate it. The fifth tip is that Japanese women love small jokes. In fact, women all around the world enjoy laughing at good jokes. If you have some funny stories or interesting experiences, share them. They will love to listen. Laughter creates a warm vibe and is the fastest way to open their hearts. I know sometimes it's hard to convey how fun your stories are, especially with cultural differences. But don't worry, just prepare some small, light-hearted stories. Japanese women will be happy to listen. A word of caution: when you greet a Japanese women with small jokes, avoid saying things like, "Hey, I like sushi," or "Hey, Pokemon," just because you know these words. It doesn't make a good impression. This is similar to how people from other countries might feel. Always consider a polite way to greet Japanese women. The sixth thing you need to know about our culture is that in Japan, we usually focus on one person at a time. We don't typically date multiple people at the same time. So if you're dating several women and trying to choose the best one, it can make you lose trust. Many Japanese people prefer to date one person they really like and see how it goes. So if you're already seeing other women, don't try to include a Japanese woman in the mix. She might think you are just a player and avoid you. I've heard that in Western culture, it's common to date multiple people and try to be more than just friends before choosing a girlfriend. But keep in mind, in Japanese culture, this behavior is seen as being a player. The seventh unique aspect of Japanese relationship culture is our kokuhaku culture. In Western culture, people often don't directly say, I want you to be your girlfriend or boyfriend. But in Japan, if you like someone and want them to be your official partner, you need to clearly express your feelings. We don't stay with someone without a specific purpose. This helps us understand if the person is your girlfriend or just a friend. So, if you like a Japanese woman, tell her your feelings and ask her to be your girlfriend. But don't get me wrong, before you ask her, you need some time to get to know each other. Don't rush. So far, I've shared 7 tips for asking a Japanese woman out or getting a Japanese girlfriend. I've heard that many Japanese people living abroad struggle with different cultures and try to understand them. In my experience, finding solutions and compromising any situation is essential. Building a trust can be tough and challenging, but learning about each other's backgrounds, you can find ways to build a great relationship. So, wear clean clothes and don't forget to smile and prepare some small jokes and try saying hi to your favorite woman. She will definitely smile back. You can start from there. After that, just be yourself. You don't need to try too hard. All you need to do is take that step forward. Whether things work out or not depends on mutual understanding, not just your efforts. I hope my advice make your life happier and more exciting. Thank you so much for watching my video. Until then, I would be happy if you hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Bye!